You give me that feeling inside. Described often as those butterflies. You give me butterflies. You give me butterflies. Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm going to teach you how to play my first song that I ever wrote. It's called Butterflies. Somebody requested that they wanted this. I guess they want to play it for their girlfriend or something, and that is awesome. So I'm going to teach you this in a different way than I usually do. I usually go over the chords and then the strumming pattern, but this song I'm going to go from the verse to the chorus and then how to play the bridge, because they're all pretty similar chords, but I play them in different orders, so I figure that'll make more sense. So let's learn how to play the verses. Okay, so I'm gonna have the chords right here, and then also I think I'm gonna put the lyrics down in the description. You guys can copy paste them or write them down or do whatever you want to get all the lyrics, but I'm gonna put the chords right here. They're all basic chords, so it's a pretty easy song to write. I mean, it was the first one I learned to play, or the first one I wrote while I was learning to play the ukulele, so pretty simple chords. So yeah, for the verse, I have both verses. They play the same chords, the same exact way. So it starts with a C, which is just the 3rd fret on the bottom string. And then an F, which is the top string, 2nd fret, and then the 3rd string, 1st fret. And then G 2 times, which is your top finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret, ring finger, 3rd string, 3rd fret, and then middle finger, bottom string, 2nd fret. So for the verses, it's gonna be C once, F once, and then G twice. And the strumming pattern that I do for the entire song is the down, down, up, up, down, up. So the verses would sound like this. So yeah, just like that. C once, F once, down, down, up, down, up, and then G twice. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So now let's move on to the chorus. Okay, for the chorus, it is C, which we did in the verse, and then E minor, which is just 1 finger on the bottom string, 2nd fret, 1 on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, and then 1 on the 2nd string, 4th fret. And then after E minor, it's G again. So it's C once, E minor once, and then G twice. And it's the same strumming pattern as the verses, so it sounds like this. And then the next part is the bridge, which is the only one that's a little bit different, but it's still super simple chords. It is A minor, which is just this top one right here on the 2nd fret. And then F, which we already did. And then C. And then G. And on the bridge, you do all of those twice, so it'll sound like this. Actually, I lied. You do the G once, because then you end on it and let it just ring out. And then it goes back to the chorus. So let's go ahead and we'll sing through the whole song just because it's mine and you guys are trying to learn the lyrics and how to play it and everything. So we'll do a little play along, I guess. When I saw you, I was pretty shy. Didn't know how to be a brave guy. Then I met you and I shook your hand. Now you're my best friend. You give me that feeling inside, described often as those butterflies. You give me butterflies. give me butterflies. Now you're mine and I can't get enough. You're the girl I've been dreaming of. If you ask me just how I feel, I'd say I am thrilled. You give me that feeling inside, described often as those butterflies. You give me butterflies. You give me butterflies. When we're old and we're both turning gray, you know I'll still say, you give me that feeling inside, described often as those butterflies. You give me butterflies. You give me butterflies. You give me butterflies. You give me butterflies. A creature with two heads, sleeping in two beds.